Ever pondered how artificial intelligence, or AI, influences the rhythm of our existence? We are living in the era of AI, a time when machines learn, adapt, and potentially outthink us. Today, we're going to delve into the profound effects of AI on our everyday lives. Imagine a world where AI did not exist. You wouldn't have the luxury of asking Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song, or rely on Google Maps to navigate through the maze-like city streets. But beyond these everyday conveniences, AI is making significant strides in areas that fundamentally affect human life. Take healthcare, for instance. In 2021, Google's DeepMind Health developed an AI system that can diagnose over 50 eye diseases as accurately as a human doctor. This system uses a technique called deep learning to analyze thousands of retinal scans, learning patterns and making predictions about a patient's likelihood of developing a disease. Not only does this mean quicker diagnoses, but it also allows doctors to prioritize patients with the most severe conditions. Or consider the field of agriculture. Blue River Technology, a subsidiary of John Deere, has developed an AI-powered system called See and Amp Spray. This system analyzes each plant individually, determining whether it's a crop or a weed. If it's a weed, the system sprays it with a targeted burst of herbicide. This level of precision farming means less waste, fewer chemicals, and ultimately, more sustainable farming practices. AI is also revolutionizing the way we conduct business. Cookie, a chatbot developed by MasterCard, uses AI to handle customer inquiries 24/7, reducing wait times and improving customer satisfaction. This shows how AI can enhance the customer experience, making businesses more efficient and responsive. These are just a few examples of how AI is shaping our world. From diagnosing diseases and improving agriculture to transforming business operations, AI's influence is wide and varied. It's clear that this technology is not just an abstract concept. It's a practical tool that's already having a profound impact on our lives. To sum up, AI is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful force that's redefining the way we live and work. Google's DeepMind Health is using AI to diagnose eye diseases, while Blue River Technology's See and Amp Spray system is making agriculture more sustainable. And in the world of business, AI-powered chatbots like Cookie are enhancing the customer experience. As we move forward, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the hands that wield it. It's up to us to ensure that AI is used responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all. Because in the end, AI is not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting our capabilities and making our lives better.